have the cutest stuff at Aldi's. Look at these sandals. They're so cute. $7.99. I low-key want to get this little decorative glass table. I have these other designs. Cute for $12.99. I'll go with the black. Garden fence panel. Bunch of gardening things. Oh, look at these are cute little vases. Just cute little nest swing. Bunch of cute things for the kids. $9.99 for this little bug adventure thing. I got my baby some of these. What are those? They're cute, guys. They come in pink, purple, black and green, and blue. I'm getting these for my baby girl. She can walk in and mess them up. 2 pop-up soccer goals. A pickleball set for $29.99. Bunch of gardening things. If you're into gardening. Round nesting flower steps. Square flower steps. Basket stakes. Even got some curling iron and flat irons, guys. Bras. I wonder what's the biggest size I go up to. Extra large is what it looks like. Some umbrellas, candles. Guys, all these is not playing. Oh, look at the stepping stone paint your own. I love that. Some little kitchen gadgets. I can't show you guys every single thing, but look at this little Mother's Day section. The tumblers, say mama. Just so many kitchen gadgets, you guys. The little bento boxes are $4.99. I grabbed one of those for my hubby. And look at these, that's so cute, mama. These are only $4.99. These are really cute, little decorative bowls. Okay, all these. They even have like curtains. What's this? A coastal throw. This is pretty and soft. This roasting pan is cool. For $9.99. Look at this bar cart. I think that's cute. $22.99. Some folding chairs for $15. Okay. Oh, it's a stool. Flexible garden hose. Vegetable grow bags. That's cool. So you can plant in your house maybe. Metal raised garden bell. My mom gotta come get these. $19.99 for those. And then a walk-in greenhouse, guys. Look at this. 4 tiers. Okay. $39.99. And they have some cute little rain boots for boys and girls. Looks like these are all for boys though. No, boys and girls. $9.99. They're cute. Look at how cute these shoes are on my baby. She's so comfy with them. They are adorable. Go get them.